Today, we're learning more about the man who died while in Raleigh police custody, and we're hearing from an expert on excessive force about what happened. Police say they used a taser on Daryl Williams after he resisted arrest. WRO's Chelsea Donovan joins us live after speaking with Williams' mother. Chelsea, she's questioning the circumstances surrounding his death.
Absolutely right, Gerald. Sonya Williams is mourning the loss of her only son tonight. She says she's desperate for information as to why police had to use that taser, and she's wondering how many times he was actually shocked before he died.
It's just hard to put in words right now.
A small memorial sits in the parking lot of Supreme Sweepstakes near where 32-year-old Daryl Williams was stopped by police.
What have police told you?
Nothing.
Tuesday morning, officers making proactive patrols on Rock Quarry Road stopped a suspicious car near the sweepstakes parlor.
He had frequented there a couple of times.
While police won't say why they stopped Williams' car, they said a decision was made to make an arrest. He resisted and a taser was deployed. Police say he was handcuffed, then unresponsive.
He's always been cooperative with the police.
Williams actually has been arrested 8 times since 2009, most recently in June. His convictions are for misdemeanor larceny and possession of heroin. That's Seth Stoughton, a former law enforcement officer who testified as an expert in excessive force in the trial of Derek Chauvin, convicted of killing George Floyd.
Someone who's just trying to escape, but is not a danger to the officer's physical well-being or a danger to anyone else's physical well-being, the use of a taser is not an appropriate weapon.
In their guidelines, Raleigh police are not allowed to use tasers when a person is only passively resisting, on handcuffed people unless they are violent and likely to harm someone, or when a person is running away from an officer.
If they are pushing or kicking or punching at officers, or if there is a threat that they are going to physically fight officers' attempts to control them, then the taser can be used.
It's still unknown the circumstances or how many times Williams was struck by the taser.
What was happening at the time? How many times was the taser used? How long was the taser discharge? And over what period of time was that discharge?
Now, back in 2013, Raleigh police used a taser on a man in the 5 Points area to get him under control. That man later died. Now, in terms of taser deaths, the most recent data collected by the state is from 2021, and it shows 32 people died by deadly force. But we should mention the state doesn't keep records on taser-involved actions specifically. Gerald?
Chelsea Donovan reporting live from Raleigh. Thank you, Chelsea.